What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. Oh boy, do I have something to tell you guys. I am such an idiot. So I haven't been posting anything because I couldn't afford an alternator, to be honest with you. Well, I couldn't afford one, but I've been choosing not to buy one. It's not like season is here, and I was like, let me just take a break from the car. It's not a big deal. And I was just going over my car, and you wouldn't believe what I fucking find. I forgot to plug a piece of my harness that basically connects, that ties in the rest of the harness, the charge, you know, the alternator harness, the charge harness, to like the rest of the harness, and that's why my alternator wasn't working. So I'll show you what it is real quick. So hopefully you guys can hear me. So this plug right here, basically what connects the charge harness, and I completely forgot about that, and I had it unplugged. But car's on, the alternator is actually good. Idling 1,000 times better now. It's on pretty old E85 still, but at least it's idling, but it's idling very lean. It's like a 16:1 AFR, some shit like that. So well, I'm gonna let this get into a full heat cycle today, and then next time I turn on the car, I'll do another oil change and do another compression test and make sure the compression numbers are exactly the same as they were before. So you come here, I'm at cylinder 1, 230, 230, 230. It's literally 230 across the board. These numbers were, I did this with a super dead battery, so like it gave me 225, and then I did it again, like I took it off and I did it again, it was at 210, and I was like, oh shit, that's not good. And then I was like, all right, we'll see what happens, and I went across the board, and I was like, well, it's not consistent, and it wasn't cranking that hard, so I was like, let me charge the battery. And then I went to cylinder 2, I charged after the battery was a little bit charged, and it did 190, and I was like, okay, that's a good sign. And then I was like, let me go to cylinder 4, you know, I was jumping around, and then did 215. So I was like, all right, let me fully charge the battery, and that's what I did, and then I was able to get 230 across the board, so that's good. So this is I'm on my first oil change on its third heat cycle now. After this heat cycle, I'm gonna drop the oil, and put new oil, compression test, and then finally road test and start breaking in the motor. But that's just the update for today. Sorry I haven't been updating videos, guys. Maybe I'll do a simple video. I gotta do a gasket, valve cover gasket, so maybe I'll do a valve cover gasket DIY for like the beginner guys, and so I'll probably do that DIY next time I come to the garage, just to get some content out and help out, you know, the fellow RSS community, especially the new guys that are just starting, and, you know, help you guys save some money. Very easy, you know, but some people are timid to do stuff like this, but I'll help you guys out too. If you like what you see, guys, remember, give me a thumbs up, share whatever you guys can do to help out, you know, it'll be awesome. Alright guys, well, till next time.